Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated and use mobile phone is not allowed until seatbelt sign is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Apilado, First Officer De Leon, cabin crew Krista, Janina, Mao, and myself, Chi, thank you for choosing Philippines Air Asia and have a blessed stay here in Manila. For those passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, kindly return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you.